I'm gonna start a new project called Eating with Africa. It's something that I won't forget, something that probably will only do once in my life. The time is ticking and I have to get the story done tomorrow. So now I've got a plan. I'm tired. I'm really tired, but I'm also tired. I haven't slept a single second. Oh, wait. I'm lost. I'm traveling in a minibus. And this is my driver. He's driving the bicycle. And I'm sitting on the back. I'm gonna drive 2.5 hours. And I don't know when I'm gonna arrive there yet. Now I'm in a taxi where you can't roll down the window. And the door's broken. So I made it into a rickety bus. The thing that really touched me was that the people were like, they understand why I'm here. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. So we're going to see how Shima is made.
And we're going to stay in our village.
They're still moving.
Yeah, they gave me local rum. It's very strong.
We found a woman that's going to make banana pancakes with us. It's been a really crazy journey. I just finished riding 6 hours straight through. People are telling me that they live or earn €1 a day. Thomas has very many wives and also many cows. You have to eat then like really basic food. Riding is like, it's so excruciating. I have to really concentrate on showing the most importance to passion. You can only do it if you're passionate about it. I'm going crazy, crazy, crazy. As you can see, I haven't got around to brushing my hair yet. I'm gonna try to test how to bake a banana cake. Lisa, how's the cake? Today I'm cooking for friends. We did it. I needed to thin out the coconut milk more. Super good. We're making a couscous out of maize. People that have followed this from the beginning know that everything that I've done for this project, I started from scratch. Done.